Welcome to our 40 days of best smart home devices series. In the first day, we are presenting the robot vacuum cleaner. This innovative machine is set to innovate your daily life. You manage a cleaner house without lifting a finger. You can control it with your phone, even when you aren't at home. It is friendly with pets and perfect for any home. With its innovative technology and best price compared to other cleaning devices, it's the optimal choice for your home cleaning. Visit our website to check out full guide. Also, don't forget to like the video and follow for more content like this.